We all believe that success comes like a big bang one sudden moment that changes everything. But the harsh reality is that 99% of people give up exactly when they are closest to their breakthrough. Ethan was just like you. He had big dreams, and he watched every motivational video he could find. But his results were always zero. He tried 100 times. Therefore, he convinced himself that he was simply unlucky. But what if I told you that Ethan wasn't failing because of a lack of effort? He was failing because he didn't understand the secret of the bamboo. Today, this story will be your ultimate reality check. If you watch until the end, I promise you will never chase motivation ever again. One morning, Ethan walked by the river and saw an old fisherman. Despite the freezing cold, the man kept throwing his heavy net into the water over and over. Ethan approached him and asked, "Old man, do you catch fish every single day?" The fisherman smiled, his eyes crinkling at the corners, and said, "No, my son. Some days the net is full, some days it is empty." "But I never stop coming," Ethan was confused. "But if you get nothing, why do you keep coming back? Isn't that a waste of time?" The old man paused, pulling his net from the water with a steady, practiced motion. He replied, "If I only came when I felt like it, my family would starve. Motivation is a spark that comes and goes. It's a warm feeling on a sunny day. But discipline is a fire that burns regardless of the weather." Therefore, Ethan realized his mistake. He was waiting for the right mood to work. He was waiting for that jolt of inspiration, that feeling of invincibility. But success doesn't care about your mood, it only cares about your presence. The fisherman then pointed to a dry patch of land nearby. "Ethan, have you heard of the Chinese bamboo tree? A farmer plants the seed. He waters it every single day. He protects it from the harsh sun and the biting frost. 1 year passes, and nothing happens. The ground remains barren. 2 years go by. The ground is still bare. 3 years, then 4 years of relentless hard work, but not a single leaf is visible. The neighbors laugh at him. They call him a fool, telling him he's wasting his life watering dirt. But the farmer never stops. He keeps watering, weeding, and protecting that invisible dream. Then, in the 5th year, a miracle happens. In just 6 weeks, that bamboo tree explodes from the ground and grows 90 feet tall. So, let me ask you, did it grow 90 feet in 6 weeks? No, it was growing during those 4 years of silence, building a massive, powerful network of roots deep into the earth. It was preparing itself for the explosive growth that was to come. That invisible progress was the most important part of its journey. Therefore, if you don't see results right now, do not be fooled. You are not failing. You are building your roots. Every article you write that no one reads, every video you post that gets 10 views, every workout you complete when you feel exhausted, you are not just watering the dirt. You are building the foundation for something magnificent. But if you stop watering the ground today, if you let the ridicule of others convince you that your efforts are pointless, the tree will die before it ever sees the light. From that day on, Ethan stopped chasing motivation and started building routine. On days he was tired, he still showed up. On days he was bored, he still did the work. On days he felt like a failure, he reminded himself of the bamboo, trusting that his roots were growing deeper. He understood that true power is not found in big, grand gestures. It is found in the small, seemingly insignificant things done every single day. Your life should not be a slave to your emotions. Your emotions should be a slave to your discipline. So, if you are ready to stop making excuses and start building your roots, if you are ready to embrace the silent years of growth and trust the process, then I want you to comment, "I am consistent," below. Let's see who is truly ready to change their life today. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next story.